Hello everyone! Today I have stainless steel tray for your fryer oven. You can put some chicken, some meat or some nuggets, noodles, etc. It's a perfect purchase for preparing your food safety. It's suitable for the oven. It's easy to clean. You can easily use it for 450 Fahrenheit. It's made with a high quality material. You can easily wash it in washing machine. It's long-term using. I think it will be a good purchase for the gift for your friends and family, and I highly recommend this. You will like it.